everyone, happy spring. I'm Joey, and you know, right now we're getting these amazing 70-degree days, 54-degree nights, but still we're all dreaming about those hot summer days and nights. But one thing I love to do in the springtime is share with you guys what the city looks like, because right behind me is City Hall, and you can see hundreds, and I mean hundreds of tulips. Throughout the entire island, we have all these beautiful flowers coming out. And so right now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little tour. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of you guys supporting this channel that I get to do fun videos like this. Anyway, let's get started. First of all, I think North Wildwood has the best city hall. I mean, this looks like this is taken straight out of a movie. But let's go ahead. I mean, when it comes to North Wildwood, they literally plant hundreds of flowers every single year. Some of them, of course, come back from time to time. Look how many different colors we have, and look how big they are, too. Give you a comparison how big these are. It's a little windy today. Now, I wish that there was like a 4D kind of smelling thing, because it smells amazing over here. Literally flowers everywhere. Going this way, back here, a lot over here. Even the flower pots over here have flowers in them. And these are beautiful. They're all different kinds. I mean, look how beautiful some of these are. This one right here. This one's got many different layers inside. I've never seen so many different kinds in just one area. So many different colors, kinds, multiple shades inside them, some pastel colors. It's amazing to see these. Now we're gonna walk the other side of City Hall. They got this bottle. Look at this color here. I've never seen some of these colors before. Which color is your guys' favorite so far? I mean, they have it going this box, that box, over here. The city does such a great job every single year with the flowers. Look how big this is. It's unbelievable. I know a lot of you guys are probably saying, Joey, why are you sharing this with us? It's not really news or anything that's really going on. You know why? Because not many people make it down to the Wildwoods in the springtime to see beautiful stuff like this. So that's why I kind of share it with you guys. And of course, you know I had to take you to the Herford Lighthouse because they do a lot of flowers here on the ground, a lot of tulips right now. So let's go ahead and give you guys a quick little tour. Look at all of these tulips. And they're everywhere. We're gonna go ahead and walk the grounds in the back. More flowers. There's so many of them. Look at these. These are so gorgeous. Let's make our way into the back. There are so many flowers going around the entire property. And even planted some in here. And we're gonna make our way towards the water. Decent amount of folks here today because it's beautiful out. And you only have X amount of weeks to enjoy the flowers before they start to die. And for those asking, yes, they did replace all the wood. This is all new wood. It's no longer falling apart. So no more tripping back here. And check out these guys. When I say hundreds, I mean between here and City Hall, there's hundreds of flowers. These ones are orange. Look how pretty. And they smell so good. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Happy spring before you know it. Actually, the other day, we were literally on the beach in our beach chairs, but before you know, we'll be swimming in decently, still kind of cold, but warmer weather. But I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey. Please stay safe and sound. I'll see you on the beach, which is right that way. I'll see you later. Bye.